Hello! Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. To everyone all over the world.
Kamusta
And
po kayo lahat? Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi.
And welcome po ulit sa aming live broadcast. And nandito po ulit kami. Excited ho ulit kami na nandito sa inyo ngayon. And for those who don't know us, again, si Molet Aranza po ako. At ito po ang aking asawa,
Ayan, Aranza.
si Ayan Aranza. And nandito po kami, we're here in Virginia, USA, sa East Coast. At time check is 8:24 in the evening. And we're a little early. So anyway, we always come in like around our live broadcast. We always come in like between 9 or 10, but it's just we're not doing anything. So just like I said, it's our business is like anytime. So and we're here. So I said, why don't we just go ahead and do it so we could rest and earlier. And anyway, we don't our live anyway. It's not like there's somebody that watches it on live, and we don't really broadcast it ahead of time. And most of the people that watches our live usually watches it on replay or on a recorded video. So
Isa pa po, medyo masama ho mga pakiramdam namin.
medyo masama ho ang pakiramdam at kailangan ho magpahinga ako. Medyo maganda na siya naman ho ngayon ng
whatever it is,
viral. Pero maganda na ho ang ko ngayon, siya naman ho ngayon ang masama ang kaya nga ito at inom ho siya ng tsaa na may kasamang ginger with honey, with Theraflu and Immune C. So medyo maganda na ho ang pakiramdam niya compare last night. So
wala po ako hindi nakasama last night dahil masama po talaga ang pakiramdam ko.
So he's getting better. So anyway, kami ho ay taga as you know, we're talking in Tagalog. So we're originally from the Philippines. Pero tubong Pampanga po ako, pero si Manila, pero originally
si Manila si Ayan.
Si Ayan. Pero ang Aranza po tubong San Pablo, Laguna. Pero laking Manila rin ho siya. But anyway, Kapampangan ko po, pero then we came here in the US in the 1989, 1991. So we've been here in the US since then. So kami ho, mga lahat ng pamilya ko nandito na, pamilya rin niya nandito na. So we're all been here. Anyway, sana ho ay you stay with us with our presentation or with our discussion today. It's gonna be a brief one, so that's why siguro kaya nga ho ang dami namin pinag-uusapan ngayon at nakakapag-usap kami ng tungkol sa aming dalawa it's gonna be a brief live broadcast about something about how do we rise together in our community, in our business. So the topic is about the strength of our unity, how our community fuels entrepreneurial success. Yun lang po. It's a brief one, so I hope you stay with us. It's just probably gonna be about 10 minutes. So kaya po kung pwede ho sana magstay kayo at sana magkaroon kayo ng lesson, magkaroon kayo ng
great idea
o magkaroon ng value ng insights o baka ho
inspirasyon.
ma-inspire kayo at magkaroon ng magkaroon naman ho ng ma-ignite kayo dito ho sa business na to. Okay? So together, no, we're gonna be on a mission to inspire and
empower and help people navigate the world of digital business and online entrepreneurship.
Okay, so because we've been through our own journey of growth, balancing work, family, and building thriving online business. So that's why we're gonna talk about we're going to be talking about is a question about why do we rise together. That's as I've told you. So we'll be talking about the power of community and collaboration, basically. Share how us as a group, our group in the business, as a group of entrepreneurs can lift each other up, share knowledge, and provide accountability. So we're here to share valuable insights that can help you do the same. Okay?
We're keeping this real, practical, and straight to the point. So whether you're just starting out or looking to the level up, stay with us because we've got some powerful strategies coming
a little bit strategies kasi konti lang naman ho ito pero straight to the point. Okay, so let's dive in. So if you're joining us live, drive a hello and in the comments or on the replay kasi tumitingin ako kung mayroong mga nanonood or what. Would love to know when you're where you're tuning in from. Okay, but of course, again, before we dive in, just a quick disclaimer. Everything we share today is based on our personal experiences or our group experience, and it is for educational and informational purposes only. And we're not a financial advisor, and individual results will always vary. And always do your own research and make the best decisions for you. With that said, let's just get into it. Okay, so the most actually, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Kasi nag-aano pa rin ako, pasensya na ho. Alam mo ho, may kasabihan, di ba? Alone we struggle, together we thrive, di ba? The most powerful entrepreneurs aren't lone wolves. They're part of a pack. Okay? So, a powerful montage of community collaboration is kailangan ho may mga gamit na collaboration na may mga gamit sila to uplift each other. Okay? They do some group calls, they do some mastermind sessions, they do everything to uplift each other. They do some Zoom, group calls, Zoom calls, they do webinars, and we do all that. Okay, we do a lot of webinars. We do a lot, and all our webinars actually it's all included into the yun hong initial investment na sinasabi namin sa inyo na pagka yung nag-register kayo tapos nanood kayo ng webinar ng pagka nag-register kayo, di ba? Libre yun, di ba? Na pagka nanood kayo ng video. When you watch a video, it's a free video, right? But once you join, then you pay the $149. I'm talking about once you join us, correct? I'm not talking about the general kind of like the community or any other entrepreneurs. I'm talking directly to our business. So kasama na ho yun na itong mga sinasabi kong mga mastermind sessions, mga ganito, mga webinars na binibigay sa programa, kasama na ho yun. Pati lahat ho ng mga community leaders, community team members, kung ano ho yung mga binibigay nila, at kasama na ho yun, mga they do it on their own. And they try to uplift each other. They try to uplift us, and they collaborate with us. So binibigay ho nila lahat sa amin yun. Kaya nasa sa inyo na ho yun kung gusto niyo mag-advance. At binibigay na po sa inyo lahat ng programa para sa inyo kung paano kayo makaunlad. Okay? So, nasa sa inyo na po yun if you wanna go ahead or if you wanna advance or what. So, it's a powerful montage of community collaboration. Okay? So, that's the reason why it says, I put it in here, there's the interaction with the community members. It says, alone we struggle, together we thrive. Okay? In business, competition is a myth. Collaboration is everything. When we share knowledge, hold each other accountable, and lift each other up. So, we hold each other accountable. So, kaya nga ho sinabi kong nasa sa inyo na ho yun. You hold yourself accountable. We all grow faster, okay? And lift each other, we all grow faster if you hold yourself accountable and you want to grow, advance, and yourself to grow, advance. That's why in our community, no one gets left behind. We rise together because we hold your hand, okay? We rise together. Kaya po nakikita niyo po yung... Go ahead, Papa.
Parang pong pandesal na ni Masa. Pag nilabas na ni Masa, para sabay-sabay silang magra-rise.
And you could see us if you watch us in our team last night in our live, you see us. That's just our team alone. But well, you see other team. Of course, it's not everyone. That's why nasa sa inyo po yun. Pero if you watch our team, kaya nga ho, that's why I'm asking you to join us. Okay, we rise together. Let's talk about the incredible power of collaboration. Okay, when we work together, we combine our strengths, ideas, and creativity, leading to innovative solutions that we could not achieve alone. Kaya nga ho, we do that all the time. Okay? We do that all the time anywhere. Okay? Kaya nga ho, kung kayo ho ay especially kung marunong kayo makipag-collaborate, marunong kayo you're a team worker, napakasarap po nun.
Team player.
Team player. That's the right word.
Collaboration foster a sense of community, encourage diverse perspective, and builds trust among team members. So whether in the workplace, your community, or within your family, remember that by collaborating, we can elevate each other and achieve extraordinary results together. Let's embrace teamwork and what we can accomplish.
Like I said, naririnig po natin lahat ito kahit saan. Sa trabaho, lalo na. Kahit naman, any kind of work. Diba? Collaborative effort, kahit saan. Mula pa nung nagtrabaho ako, mula pa nung una, kahit naman nga sa pag-aaral lahat collaborative effort, teamwork, team player. Hindi yan team player o lahat. Anything, goals, lahat ng duties and responsibilities, it's always collaboration, anything about that, right? So let's talk about this time let's talk about the power of sharing knowledge in a supportive network. Okay, entrepreneurs who connect with others in their field often find new ideas, build confidence, and gain valuable insights. This collaboration sparks creativity and can lead to innovative solutions that we might not achieve on our own. So, yan ang mga mga ideas. Same thing at collaboration, but to mga ideas, mga insights, di ba? Kasi, syempre, yung utak ng isa tsaka yung utak ng isa, pagsamahin mo, naku, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng sumatotal.
Diba? Sinasabi ko nga, parang pandesal.
Pandesal.
Pag minasa mo together, pantay-pantay, ang labas ng pandesal, masarap.
Yes.
Being part of a supportive network means we can learn from each other's experience, celebrate success, and navigate challenges together. So let's embrace a spirit of collaboration and support one another, because together we can thrive and reach new heights in our entrepreneurial journey.
Kaya kung pagsasamahin natin ang mga different ideas ng mga iba, napakaganda ng kahihitnan.
Now about the accountability advantage. Being part of a group can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth and progress. When we surround ourselves with like-minded individuals,
like our group,
we create an environment that foster motivation and support. Accountability keep us on tracks and encourage us to push beyond our limits. It's amazing how sharing our goals and progress with others can ignite our drive to succeed. So let's embrace advantage together and support one another on our journey towards achieving our dreams.
Alone, we may face challenges in our businesses that seem insurmountable. However, when we come together as a community, we unlock a world of support and collaboration. Sharing our experiences and resources not only lightens our load, but also inspires innovative solutions.
Together, we thrive by building networks that empower us to grow and succeed. Let's embrace the strength of our community and remember that our collective efforts can lead to remarkable achievements. By supporting one another, we create a vibrant ecosystem that benefits us all.
So, ganyan po ang aming community. Kung nagaganyak po kayo at medyo nagugustuhan nyo at merong sumisipol na mukhang maganda ito, pakinggan nyo po ang pakiramdam nyo. I did, and I'm glad I did. Okay? At ang paglalago ng business na ito ay nasa sa inyo na po ito. Kahit na gano'n na po ang suporta ng community o team, pero wala po sa udyok ng puso nyo ang pagmamalakad, wala pong patutunguhan ang negosyo na to. Kailangan po ng inyong pagmamahal. Diba?
Sa lahat ng bagay.
Sa lahat ng bagay.
Pagmamahal ay magiging maayos.
Kailangan ng pagmamahal ang lahat ng bagay para maging maayos ang pamamalakad. Kasi kung hindi nyo mamahalin
ang
ginagawa ninyo, wala hong mangyayari.
Kahit na po nagwawalis lang kayo ng sahig, kailangan may kasamang pagmamahal. Kung hindi, walang pagmamahal, hindi malinis yung pagwalis niyo.
Napunta sa walis. Okay.
Yun na yung pinaka-basic nun.
Okay. Okay. Drop together. TOGETHER or sama-sama tayo in the comments if you believe in community over competition. Want to be part of something bigger? Message me. Mag-message po kayo. Okay? Or mag-comment po kayo sa aking mga video or lahat. Okay? Want to go fast? Go alone. Want to go far? Go together. Okay? The power of community and collaboration in entrepreneurship will lift each other up, share knowledge, and hold each other accountable. How working together makes success inevitable. We don't just grow business, we grow together. Who's ready to rise with us? Okay? Drop a comment if you're in. We rise together. Collaboration wins. Okay? So hanggang dun lang po ngayong gabi.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at sa pakikinig po sa amin. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Ganun din po sa akin.
Bye-bye.
Bye.